What's up, guys? Welcome back. Happy Friday. Last trading day of the week before we go into Thanksgiving week next week. But yeah, let's just see. Same thing as always on Friday. Low-hanging fruits. We stay patient, wait for a setup, execute. Don't be greedy. It's always the plan on Fridays. We have about 12 minutes to market open, so started a little early, but yeah. Gives me time to, relax, check out the market, how it's doing. I realize I haven't done one of these in a hot minute, so maybe now is a good time for me to show what I'm looking for today. So turn on display capture. Here's my trading view. The blue and red or pink highlighted boxes are overlapping for value gaps. So since we kind of swung Asia low by a lot, I expect today to be more choppy. Um, Especially when we swung it and then we're now kind of back in that same range that we were for Asia. Maybe we break out, but it's Friday, so I doubt it. But yeah, I'm really just looking to see how price reacts up here at 850s and then down here at 750s, and we're approaching 750s, so yeah, we'll see, of course, and then we'll keep the 15-minute opening range in play, opening range break in play. That's always in play. So yeah. Yesterday we had a massive dump at open, which was insane. Um, Probably one of the most insane openings I've seen in a long time. Just like the fact that I came up to this major resistance level, rejected it, and boom, no top wick, 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 top wick. Like, that was insane. Like, these are fucking 60-point candles, right? So 50, 60-point candles. So it's like, yeah. And then we just slow grind it all the way back up for the rest of the day, which is, damn, we rejected there? That's crazy. But yeah, that's really what I'm looking for. That was a really big rejection candle. Was that like 21 points? Damn. Wait, no, 15. 8. No, 8 to 94. 14, yeah. Oh, 9 minutes to open. Probably only going to be trading two accounts today, and that's my MFFU and my Tradeify because I requested a payout on Top Step. Oh, what? Because I requested a payout on Top Step. It was pretty small, but I think I wanted to do it just for morale's sake. So yeah. Wow, I can't believe we rejected there. That's pretty crazy. Damn, I was really hoping this short came at a New York Open and not right before. It kind of sucks. Also surprised VWAP is so low. Interesting. It's a decent order around the 65 to 70s area. I wouldn't be surprised if we try to sweep that at market open. Damn, market's moving. Yep, here's that sweep. minutes till market open. Now there's orders at the 90s. So with it, when it's this tight, we might see kind of like what we saw yesterday, where it trapped the shorts, trapped the longs, and then made its move. So I'm gonna be very careful on the opening candle. See, it's pulling up to the 95s where those orders are. You can see a lot of orders are trailing on Bookmap. One minute till market open. Still an order at the 800s that haven't been filled. We might see that here. We have a big order at 850. Market's gonna open up here in about 10 seconds. Let's see how price reacts. Down. So we came down, filled those orders, and then came right up. Wow. There's big buyer at 850, so I wouldn't be surprised if we, wow, holy, wow. Huge buying pressure right now. Interesting. Very, very interesting. I did not expect it to flip, but because it did, I'm going to take a sell here on my funded futures. I would not expect this to pop back up. That was weird. Whoa. Okay, I gotta get out. Wow, that was a massive. What the? I'm gonna get back in this cell. I'm not convinced that we're going up. Okay, maybe we are. Still not convinced that we're gonna break this level. Damn. Wow. Wow. Jesus. Look at these sellers. Just crash like that. Wow. Nice. Damn, I could have sworn these were bigger. Wow, dude. Take one more. There we go. I'm done. Yeah, daily loss limited MFFU. Oh, that big ass wick. I should have just sold at the top instead of trying to play the bottom. Oh, that's something that got me and continues to get me, so I need to work on that. I literally sold, and I think just because of how much price was moving up and down at the time, it got me. My funded futures once again, daily loss limit after a fucking week of perfect trades. It's just insane, dude. Oh. Wow, I literally, wow. Double bottom ticked? That's insane. What are the odds of that? Just for transparency reasons, here's display. My MFFU that was fucking doing great. Oh, it's just so sad when it sold off here. Yeah, this was really weird to sell. I think it's opened, came down, then I sold thinking it was going to continue push like yesterday. I should have waited for a wick. I would have had multiple chances to get out, so 80 down to here. I think it like fluctuated between here like twice. And that's the same thing that I keep doing every time I daily loss limit these accounts, right? I get in at the bottom and then get fucked. Um, Once it came up here, I wasn't convinced. I got a couple chances to get out at 100. It sucks that if I just held for another 2 minutes, I would have pretty much got my take profit on here, which I had 20 points. Should have been here. Would have recovered most of this 500, but instead I lost it again, and then I went long, and then it dumped. So yeah, this is like a classic case for me of just, oh, what do I even call it? It's just like every time I trade like this, it's right here. It's just getting in at the wrong. Like I should have waited, especially when we were down here for it to come up. And when it did come up, I should have taken it. I think I just FOMO'd because this candle literally retraced itself 100% of the way and reflipped. Um, but yeah, it honestly I think this one would have worked out if I had held this one for another like 3 points, boom, and then as it came back up, I'd probably be in a long right about here after bottom ticking this, but who cares? Not who cares, but it's a lesson learned. You could kind of say that I did similar to the same thing here, right? My entry here was less than stellar. I should have gotten up here, but I waited. So right here, after it closed below the 9 EMA, I waited, I waited, I waited, I waited. And then as it started, looked like it wanted to flip, boom came. I thought this was a lot more, to be honest. 96, 4, and so this was like what, 7 points. I typically would have went for more than that, except I think it's just because yesterday my scale. I typically look at like a certain distance from the chart as my take profit, right? So 96 down to 89, the 7 points here. I was like, oh yeah, it's like you know, just a little under an inch, which is fine after taking this long. This one was basically the bottom wick up. You guys have seen me do this multiple times. Pretty much top ticked almost. But yeah, these two bottom ticks were the last two that I would have been comfortable making for the day. And yeah, it just sucks that MFFU was so close. So fucking close. And I got sent right back. But yeah. Oh wow. Oh, there's news in about 10 seconds. So, yeah. Yeah, basically break even day, which, I'm okay with. Look at this spread. Oh, it would have been a perfect way to end the weekend if I had just done some things differently, you know. But honestly, that's okay. I think this is part of that learning process with trading where I just have to get used to these things. ES definitely moved a lot cleaner. If I was watching ES, I probably would not have gotten into the shorts at all, but fuck, NQ is just... NQ's different, I guess. But yeah, I think I'm gonna call it a day here. Not necessarily sad or happy, but did end up learning, which I think at the end of the day, these are the lessons that, don't come easy, right? The people who trade as influencers every day, um, these are the things that they don't show, right? The learning process, the strategy development, all that. These are kind of the things that you kind of learn as you go, and they're hard lessons to learn, but shit, if I brought these accounts back from daily loss limit like 60 times, I can do it. I can do it one more. But yeah, it sucks. It really does. Uh, I just needed to look at my chart, and I think I would have had the conviction to hold. I think I closed out my second short on my funded futures because of whatchamacallit, just fear that it was going to continue to break out, but I had a few things I say it might reverse here, and it did, so tough. But whatever, what can you do about it? That is trading. Such is life. I still have the accounts, which is good. More than enough drawdown to come back from, so yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. Again, I'm not gonna make it trade on Top Step just because I don't like the way the price is moving. Um, yeah, I was thinking like if I do a cheeky $40 drawdown move, but I don't even want to attempt that. Just seems like a waste of energy. So yeah, I'm gonna close out. Oh shit, I need to get that screenshot. Um, Happy Friday, y'all. Remember, we all take losses. We're human. We're not perfect, and I think that's probably one of the biggest lessons that we'll learn. Our trading is never going to be perfect, no matter how much we want it to be. Um, and yeah, you just gotta keep grinding hard. I got played because I tried to take a trade primarily based off momentum. So when that 30 reflipped, I thought it was gonna drive, and then it didn't. So yeah, should have just been a little bit more patient. Just like probably 1 minute would have done it for me. 1 minute would have probably done it for me. So it is what it is. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy Friday. Good luck trading. Remember, patience, patience, patience. I got burned, and it happens, but it doesn't mean you guys can't do the same. So yeah. See you guys next time. Peace.